William. It's August 16th, 2022. Do you remember where we're going today? Wow, you sound not too thrilled. Are you excited or not? Oh, excited but tired. That sounds about right. Today we are going to see the second main series train that Norfolk Southern has, or our second sighting of one. It's the black main, number 4004. This one came around here about this time last year, but we missed it. So I'm excited that it's back in the area. This one sort of like the yellow main, except it's black in the front and gray in the back. And this one has a little blue stripe separating the black main and the gray. Sort of like the yellow main had a black stripe separating the yellow and the gray. So we're on our way. We heard it's in Shelburne Falls, Mass right now. I was hoping to catch it at the tunnel earlier, but I didn't catch wind of it until after it was out. It's allegedly tied down currently. So we're on our way and we'll see what we find. There's that little excited guy. Cute. Alright, we're in Buckland now. I see the train stopped over there. The boy has fallen asleep as he tends to do. So that means the locomotives would be up here pretty soon. And we'll see what we see. There's the locos there. Haha, there she is. Number 4004. Stop. Wake the boy up. Get a little shot.
William, hi, you're cute. You're so cute. What did we find, little boy?
It's 4004. This is another one of the mains. All right, boy, did we see it? Yeah, we did. And so now what we're gonna do is drive up around. There's some roads and a bridge up above. And I'm just gonna drive and see if there's a sort of public place to park that we could look down on it and see what's what. There it is again, out the window.
In it.
Yeah, it's powering up over there and it's creeping along. I don't know if they're just moving a little bit forward or if they're actually cleared to go. But I think it's about to go. I hope. We're gonna go check. Yeah, she's moving. She's moving.
He's moving.
Oh man.
He's moving.
All right, the race is on. We're going to Shelburne Falls.
Yes.
fly around to the town right now so I can get a nice shot zooming back at it. You see it? Looking at the bridges right down the road.
That was perfect timing, wasn't it, boy? So we got down to Buckland, right outside of Shelburne Falls, and saw the train sitting. We got some good close-up shots and views of the locomotive. And then we went to find a parking space to see if we could get a, sort of a second shot of it. And right then, what happened?
Move.
It moved. It started moving. So we went and we followed it, and we got it.